Today we take a journey on a chartered boat and go to Cape Greco. Come and join us and soak up the sights. Well, hello everyone and welcome back to Jelly's Journey. Today we are at Paralimni Marina. Are we going on a boat?
Yeah, I'll be going on a boat.
We're going on a boat. We're going on a private boat. So yes.
Very excited.
There's about 40 of us going. We have no idea where we're going, do we?
No, not a clue.
Not a clue, but come and join us.
They're fishing. Yeah, it's last one.
You got the Golden Coast and the church. Beautiful day today. Not the Shirley Valentine, is it?
No, it's
Or the one after?
the one before it. Oh, the one after, it's called the Medusa, I think. It's like the baby version of that, I believe.
So, as long as we're not going on the dinghies.
No, it's going to be a thing.
Hello everyone, we're going on the Medusa. There's about 40 of us, like we've said. Now the fun and games, trying to get on. Where are we at, my darling? Front?
Sit round that side at the front or something.
Look at that water. Now at this point in time we had no idea where we were going on our boat, but we knew and we had a feeling it might be towards Cape Greco. Now the boat cruise was arranged with a local bowling club and our friends invited us along. Now as we said, there was about 40 people on board, maybe 30 people, 40 people, that's all it was supposed to be. But it cost us €20 each, which we thought for a 3-hour cruise was very reasonable. Now on the boat there was a bar, but there was no food involved, although fruit and watermelon did come round a little bit later. So if you do decide to do the Medusa private charter, it might be wise to take a picnic along just for a bite to eat. Now we're just coming past Pernera and Protaras, and as you can see there are many boat cruises out and lots of water sports.
There's a beer in the bag in it. Yeah, there's beer in there. Are these guys jumping off the top here, up here, look? Nobody on the back of the boat, yeah, hold it, yeah.
during the school holiday.
Yeah.
Cheap bus them down to the sea.
Yeah. And how many have turned on board?
Yeah.
Well, I think it is cordoned off now, but.
Crow's Arch is a popular spot in Cape Greco. Now, it has fantastic views, especially during the sunrise and the sunset. However, because it is in a fragile state, the area has been fenced off to prevent potential collapse, making it inaccessible for walking, but you can still enjoy the beauty from above and, like us, from the top. Well, look at that water. It is so clear and turquoise. It is absolutely beautiful. Now this is the sea cave area, and if you look closely in the cave right ahead of you, you do see pictures and photos that have been placed inside. Now, I'm not sure of the reason for that, so if somebody else could help me, that would be absolutely fantastic. And then approaching the Blue Lagoon. Look at that sea, everyone, and that is Cape Greco, Blue Lagoon. Now this is a very popular spot. You'll see all the boat cruisers coming here. The anchor will go down shortly, and it is an opportunity for us all to have a swim, so we will see you after the swim. Well, that water is so refreshing, a beautiful swim, and we're just about to take a look around the Medusa.
Look at this beautiful water. Look, Cape Greco. Time for a bit of a swim. Here the other boats to enjoy us. Jerry's gone for a bit of a dip. Absolutely stunning and gorgeous. Everyone's having a great time. Really. Look at that.
The last time we did the contract was.
Is that the captain?
Well, as we mentioned earlier, our cruise was about 3 hours long, and it started at 4 o'clock, and we were due to get back into Paralimni Marina about 7. So the sun is starting to go down, as you can see, and we're on our way back. We hope you've enjoyed our little cruise, but if there's somewhere that you would like us to go, please let us know. Put it in the comments or send us a message. But until next time, take care now. Bye.